Radio Lakay International. Sak ni look la. Allo Buzzline sa ka fête. Welcome to Radio Lakay, it's a Verite. Au compte j'en fais chaque samedi soir. 8h30 pour 9h30. De un petit gens en retard soir, nous avons checké quelques technical difficulties. Mais we live on the air. Radio Lakay. Gardons jazz, mais jazz. Allô, New Look, Baz Lion, Radio Lakay, Top Verite, Truth Table, every Saturday, 8:30 to 9:30. One little bit behind, but we still here. We get that extended time. Mais new look. Jazz normal là. Jazz compas direct là. Ça c'est new look. Quittez combat marché. Quittez combat marché. Allô. Ça c'est new look. Jazz compas direct là. Oui. Mais jazz qui jazz. Ça c'est new look live. Nous parlons de Harmonik. Yes sir. Let's go. Let's go. Buzz Lions. Vitesse. Allô, allô. Check it, check it. Alex Dosil. Mais jazz qui jazz. Donc on salue déjà chaque samedi soir. Live about ta Verite. We got Rostafa coming in the building today. Live in effect. Aha. Really, mes amis, ça a fait. Comment nous y est aujourd'hui, c'est jeudi samedi 27 août 2022. Nous disons bonsoir, merci en pile parce que nous étiez avec nous dans show ça cap podcast. Et puis je dis à nous une belle show, nous avons Gabel on va le déposer là pour nous ouais, Gabel qui a bien joué dans le moment. Et puis shout out to Harmonik parce que moi qui Harmonik tout one un pile gros bagage qui va le faire à soya sous show ta vérité you already know.
Alors bien chanter avec ma soeur là. Tout le monde qui l'a chanté avec ma soeur là. Y'all ready? Check this out. Chérie me connaît, qu'elle nous prend. Chantez les fêtes maman.
Si c'est pas tout, l'idée qu'à moi. Ça fait longtemps, ma petite, on a quitté. Oh, déjà, bébé, oh. Regarde-moi! Yeah.
Allez, nos chéris, ici, nous la commandons. Yeah. C'est vérité, même si vraiment, mais c'est pas une raison pour l'amour. Ça a tourné, mon frère. Les sentiments pas péché. Les gens vivent avec, il y a clair. La société, ouais, que relation, confiance, côté. Pas de responsabilité. Yeah. Oui, avec nous, c'est des amis. Oui, c'est l'homme, je t'ai grandi. Façon, c'était compatible. Pas de casser pas, c'est toujours un sourire. Pas de quoi c'était un menti. Que moi avec c'est pour la vie. Qu'on y a nous pas même pas parler. Les gens se cause nous perdons toute complicité. Allez, non, chantez! Ouais, ça chérie. There is no way, never. Pas je quitte, baby. Mais pourquoi parler, vous dites? Est-ce que pendant ce coup de chien là, pendant ce coup de chien qui l'a chéri, si que pendant ce coup de chien qui l'a demain là, comme ça, chantez. Qui passe ça? Yeah, man. Allez, nos chéris. La chanson. On voulait tout le monde qui l'a ici. Toute notre nation qui l'a. I want you guys to sing as loud as you can possibly sing. Y'all ready? I said 1, 2, 3, let's go, sir. Poco pare vous quitter. Allez ça. There is no way, never. Your time. My poco pare vous quitter. Turn this up. There is no way. If you know, you know. I got you. Whoa. Yeah, man. There is no way. My poco pare. Your time. Happy birthday to you. There is no way. Sakila, we pop parade. C'est ma chou. Sakila. Oh. We're back to Mutila Sherry. I was trying to sing as loud as you can sing.
Ça c'est Gabel. Jazz normal.
Déjà gâté pour la vie. Allez, nos chéris, chantez plus fort. Faut pas compter pour nous soutenir ça. On connaît un bon pour moi. Mais pas ça si bien. I love it. Chantez, pop. Sinon, chantez, chérie. Chantez plus fort, let's go.
We're live on Radio Lakay. We got a special guest tonight. Rostafa in the house. Tuning in his guitar right quick. We're gonna get ready.
Yeah.
Say what's up to the mic.
Jump Red Dread.
You here? One more time.
Yo, brethren.
Hold on 1 second. Go ahead.
Hi, Nine. What's the good, brethren?
Yes, I see. I got you. I think I got you. I believe so. I believe so. Yes, we're gonna continue like this. Let me hear your guitar. Let me see how you looking.
Fort Bocotin, boom. C'est que fantastique Gabel, c'est pour ça la fête de yeah.
Yes.
Est-ce que fantastique Dr. Love la
Hold on 1 second. I gotta pause this. Let me get back to this camera angle. We are here with a special guest as we continue with the Gabel. But this is a special evening because we have Rostafa in the house. Rostafa, say hello to everybody.
Bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va tout à bien. How you doing?
Shout out to the Creole / French. But you know, before we start, you know, we're not gonna ask you to play right now, unless you wanna open up with something.
I mean, you can open up with anything, brother. What's on your mind?
Well, let me ask you a few questions, cause before we open up with everything, I actually wanna play something.
Okay.
Just so before people watch you play live in the studio, but I wanna make sure I get to show them a little bit of what you do, and I had the chance to capture you live, and it was a very interesting moment on Church Street.
It was a very sticky day.
Yeah, but still, here we go. This is Rostafa. You can check it out.
Mes amis, Chita sur et puis branché sur Radio Lakay International, Radio PIA, Radio Diaspora, Radio émission sur ce qui a passé en Haïti et ce qui a passé sous.
We're back. We're back. We're back. That was good.
It was all right.
That was good. So, Rostafa,
Yeah, man.
before we start, let me adjust the mic a little bit. Before we start, can you introduce everybody to you? I know I said Rostafa, but can you introduce yourself to the world and who's watching on Facebook and that's going to be watching on YouTube? Who's Rostafa and what are you all about and what is your movement about?
It's a lot of questions.
Yeah. Basically, tell us about yourself.
All right, I'll try. My name is Rostafa from Western Orange, New Jersey. I've been pretty much playing out live, if you will, since probably about 2010. I'm a becoming artist, and I'm actually working on various other projects. I am actually working on my first album, which has been in the works for the past 2 years, called Black is Beautiful. I mainly play, guitar, vocals, and some harmonica as well. But I mainly like playing with, with people, like playing with bands mostly. But nonetheless, I try to do my best to try to, make it simple for the listener to try to, make it work for themselves and just make them feel good. So my job is just basically make sure people are feeling good and having a good time.
So you you basically call your music like feel good music, basically.
Feel good music with a bit of an edge, yeah. Because we all have a little bit of a sense of spite about ourselves, I think.
Okay. And how long have you been playing music?
Oh God, probably go all the way back to when I was starting to attend church. As I think most brothers who start out, they first hear their first music, whether it be on the radio or whether they be somebody singing in the house, but probably the first music other than the radio was being at church and being exposed to it. So a lot of good harmonies, a lot of good sounds, and then one thing led to another where in elementary school I picked up saxophone because I found it interesting.
You play sax?
I played sax long ago. The problem is that you can't rehearse with a saxophone at home.
Yeah, what, too much noise?
Too much noise. It's too no matter if it's an alto, a tenor, or a baritone, or even a soprano, like those saxophones, like they carry a certain resonance that unfortunately disturbs the peace of somebody else's wavelength.
I don't think I would mind someone practicing the saxophone. Or
if you know how to play it right.
Yeah.
Because when you're in the beginning,
if somebody's switching, then it's something different.
Because you're trying to learn your craft, but unfortunately, there's always somebody that says, "Please don't do that in the house. Please go somewhere else." Right? But I played that for about 7 years, but ultimately didn't really do anything with it. However, though, I did learn how to read music, which again was very limited only because again wasn't really that much mentorship when I was growing up. So I then at some point or another decided to pick up guitar at 17. Ironically, I had a guitar at 7. But I didn't pick it up for 10 years. And that guitar I still have today. It's actually a very small miniature guitar. Because I remember one year, actually, this vivid memory, my mom actually bought me a toy guitar for Christmas. And I kind of looked at her dumbfounded going, "Mom, you realize I wanted the real thing, right?" Even at 7 years old. But nonetheless, yeah, I pretty much picked that up. And then I started fiddling around with it until finally I just started going to open mics and stuff like that and just said, screw it. I'm tired of playing with myself, by myself, so might as well just do it in front of people.
Bring it out to the world.
That's right.
So
I birthed myself, yes.
How do you see your music career going right now as far as where you at? Are you working on an album? Are you working on something that you want the world to have at home or wherever they go, or what do you have in mind right now? What do you have on your plate?
Honestly, right now, I'm just trying to just finish my album. I know it's been a long road to hold. Even before the concept of the album came about, up until that point, it was like 10 years of just learning my craft and trying to figure out how am I going to get to where I want to get to, and discovering a lot more about myself. You can't help but being influenced by who you're influenced by. and yet you're still trying to find your sound. And I mean, this album in particular, I mean, it practically all started with, you know, what was happening 2 years ago with the whole world, what was going on, and especially in the black and brown communities. You just couldn't get away from it, especially the fact that everybody was on lockdown because of COVID. So you had no choice but to pretty much be an antenna for what was happening around, and then you couldn't help but writing what was going on, especially because it involves you both directly and indirectly.
Cool. So yesterday I know you were performing on Church Street. I guess you probably warmed up already. Before I ask more questions, do you have something you want to show us? Maybe let's just get the sound going a little bit, and then basically get your mic check. The camera's on you right now, and the guitar is good.
She's speaking.
Perfect. And then I balance it as we go. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we have Rostafa live in Radio Lakay. We bring you live music every Saturday night at 8:30 to 9:30. If we start late, either way, you get extended time. Here's Rostafa.
Put more fire now. Saving all of my money all week long. Oh, so I can go out and driving you along. Right down in Hollywood Boulevard, a Friday night, dress right. I don't take no trouble, no smoke on the wall, but I still have a leopard skin hat on that you gave the week back before it was cool. You took them to school, right back in that ghetto. Wow, yeah. The ghetto of my mind. Here at the ghetto, yeah. I swear the ghetto of my mind. Lord, and I know right to go, Lord, they go, right to go, Lord, I know right to go now. Wow. I like to dance with my roommate, yeah, she knows how to move. She thought she was cool until I say, yo, little girl, come here now. I show you how you break on the road. Yeah, you took in my room. I swear there ain't no time to play no game, no. Unless you want to be on the run. I don't care if you don't see my way, girl. I just want you to know you gotta take a chance and throw right back in the ghetto. Oh, yeah. The ghetto of my mind. Right back in the ghetto, yeah. Yeah. The ghetto of my mind. The one of the whitey go. No, they go, whitey go. When I go, whitey go. The one of the whitey go in the ghetto now. Oh, won't you dance this slow for me, mama, right now?
I remember I saw you walking down your way, and then you had a slight little smirk on your face now. You bite your lip, I swear, it wasn't nothing much to say. You just took my hand and we sway down me Hollywood Boulevard. And that's so West Coast sunshine getting on. Remind me of a place I used to go back on. Didn't take too long. And I said, look at mama here now, look at here. I just want you to be by my side. Yeah. There's no need to strive, no. I just want you to feel safe. Right by where I used to go to school, where we be playing football now, and we'll be smoking that cool ganja, let's wine. And thinking we could do it all night, riding a guitar. Yeah, 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 yeah. The ghetto of my mind. Right there when I get down, wow, yeah, 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 to get you on my mind. Where do you want to go, want to go? Where do you want to go, want to go? Want to go, to get you on my mind. You're on the ghetto, whoa, 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 yeah. Open up the ghetto in your mind.
More fire!
Yes. I might need a little horn, you know what I'm saying?
Get the football horn?
Yeah, I got a little horn. Big shout out to Rostafa for stepping in. This is called the Truth Table. This is Top Verite. So I think we want to just talk about some truth. Now, truth, what do you think about what's going on in the world right now? You know, where you see, since you live in the U.S., and I know the U.S. is in tune with everything that's going on around the world, and you watch the news or maybe heard some things. How do you feel about how your music is connecting with what's happening in the world right now?
Well, there's a lot of static. There's also a lot of separation. There's a lot of disturbance, mainly because we're all trying to speak the same language, but we're going on different roads. Spiritual, political, ethical, economic. We're all trying to find some balance. But the unfortunate thing is we're in the same library, but we're not reading the same book. You know, I think a lot of us try to fill in what we think is what is truth, as you pointed out. But a lot of times we don't clarify what truth is. We just want to take the feel-good truth and thinking that's going to sustain us. I want to go after the truth that's not only going to make me better at what I do, but I want it to challenge me in a way where I'm trying to articulate what it's asking me to do. And I think, honestly, even in our generation where everything is like so instant gratification, and then also the other aspect is trying to comprehend what you're first taking, because a lot of times we want to skip steps, right? We want to skip steps to get to where we want to go, but I think honestly is to always, especially when you're down and out or you feel like you don't know what to do, go back to your basics. And I think that's probably where we need to go as a society. We need to get back to basics. And for me, I just want to reflect truth, but at the same time, I also want to reflect certain truths that I haven't discovered yet, whatever that is. And I think it really just comes down to first of all, waking up in the morning and give thanks, and then of course experience the world as it's happening in real time.
Cool. Now, so I know I actually only seen you in Montclair because I thought you were actually from Montclair, but West Orange represent.
I mean, Montclair's my backyard.
Yeah, yes, because okay, West Orange or neighboring town. Shout out to West Orange, New Jersey.
Woe town.
So make sure you support Rostafa because when an artist is representing a town, people don't know what that does. If wherever he goes, he bring the town with him and he represent West Orange, and they say, wow, this guy's from West Orange. So people from West Orange, shout out to y'all, shout out to West Orange, shout out to Newark, shout out to Irvington, shout out to Glen Ridge, and big shout out to Montclair, who always had, although there's a little politics, but it's still a hub for musicians in Montclair because they have a kind of music community which we create ourselves as musicians. We've been fighting for a lot of stuff, for more opportunities for live musicians. So, and this platform is based on that and trying to help live musicians find places to get interviews, to perform, and to bring the news of any project they have in mind or they are thinking about. So I'm very appreciative of you stepping in, because time is money, you know what I'm saying? And we don't have much of it. But we appreciate everything for stepping and support. Lakay support you. I'm gonna ask you one final question, maybe a couple of final questions. Then we may, if you have one more songs, we would love to hear it because the show is from 9:30 to 8:30 to 9:30. I started a little late, maybe 10, because I don't know what happened. Which maybe it was a good thing because then you came in the right moment and then we got this live going. And this is gonna be good on YouTube for people to watch and see the talent. If anyone wants to support Rostafa, he's gonna give you his Cash App or his music or his email or wherever you can reach him to help him out or support him any way you can to finish his album. If you do photo shoots or maybe you might not be able to give money or something or funds, you can give your service to help him as a musician who's trying to develop his projects. So Rostafa, when you write your music, how many songs do you think that you will have on the album?
Oh, that's a great question. I will say
it is an LP.
Yeah, it is. Album. It is going to be a full LP.
Okay.
Reason being is because again, I hear especially these days where you can just put out a single or put out an EP, but I believe in albums. I come from a generation of albums, especially since that albums to me are literally almost like an encompassed you have a story within a story within a story that tells an even bigger story. And this particular album is a concept album. It's about black and brown people as a whole. It has various different themes, and it's also going to have various somewhat different genres depending on the format in which I constructed. But yeah, it'll probably be about, I want to say, a good 10 at minimum. I'm not going to go oversaturated because it's the first album, but I definitely want to try to tell as much as I can about the point of view of the black and brown communities as I possibly can and try to articulate it to the best of my ability. And the biggest step is to try to get it heard, not just to sell it, but to get it heard. Yeah. And I want to give a shout out to any and all musicians that are still trying to make money off their music and not just streaming it and not just, trying to sell merchandise and stuff like that. Because at the end of the day, I believe music is also a physical thing. It's more than just something you hear.
Yeah, that's true. That's very true. And also, I'm glad this is the thing because people don't realize when they hear 2 minutes or 3 minutes, they think that's all it took to write a song. You got songs that's merging with other songs, ideas from years ago that's coming with today. So I understand because I'm a musician myself and I know it's not easy. So I always respect people who want to do original music. Yeah. That's a plus. You can do all covers and everything. And when you were mentioning about black and brown people, the community of all people, it's interesting because we know a lot of people believe that if you're one of us, you gotta be doing hip hop, you gotta be rapping and this. But I remember. I always feel like you have a country vibe to your style also. I don't know if you want to take on that or.
Yeah, it's funny.
Or what would you call your style of genre? Your genre.
You know, it's funny. You know, my mom actually, when she was growing up, she actually had some country songs that she actually did like, and I kind of somewhat like that stuff too, but not like what we call like modern country or like pop country, which to me is not real. We call it corporate music, if you will.
Okay.
But for me, it's various different styles. Like I love R&B, I love reggae, I love rock, I love blues, I love country, I love Americana, which is a combination of all of that. Jazz, blues, gospel, and I've always been a fan of hip hop. The only problem was it's like I wasn't necessarily a rapper. I respect it and I appreciate it. It just, for me, the music, the actual creation of that was more appeasing and made more sense to me at the time. And I actually want to encourage rappers, write your own melodies.
Yeah.
Like I encourage rappers to pick up at least one instrument because at least you have an understanding of what you want. You don't have to be the most technical, but you definitely have to be at least assertive with certain nomenclature, especially when you deal with other musicians, especially if you play live, you know?
Yeah, I think it's always a good thing when you see a rapper playing live, actually.
Yeah.
I've seen some rappers play live, and
Yeah.
and of course, me, I'm one of them because I trying to do, just like you said, I listen to a lot of different music, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's, one of the country music or crossover from that I know, even though people don't realize, black and brown people have been doing country music.
Oh, yes.
I mean, you got blues, you got all these different things. So, and people, when they hear Darius Walker, you know what I'm saying? I heard some of Darius Walker when you sing some of those songs. Certain songs.
I get a lot of different people that they relate.
You heard of him, right?
Oh yeah, Darius from Hootie and the Blowfish. I've gotten
Yeah.
him. I've gotten Lenny Kravitz. I've gotten Ben Harper. I've gotten.
It's cause it depends on because you say you mix your style, your genres, and everything.
Yeah, because I go by. It's not even a matter of the genre. It's the feel.
Yeah.
The feel, because again, you can still tell the truth and be in any genre and still get somebody who may not even be in that style, but then all of a sudden they'd be like, "No, I like that song."
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, and that's why I think music can have that power to change somebody's mind.
Yeah,
You know?
it's tough because people always saying you gotta find your audience. Well, I feel like if you can find everybody somehow, maybe not trying to go after what they specifically exactly what they want, but giving them real music, real feelings. I think anyone could relate. If you're playing somewhere and people hear something that touched them. Doesn't matter if they're a kid, as long as there's no cursing. You know what I'm saying? Anyone can feel it.
Like for example, like you talk about audience. You find your audience. I find my audience, and sometimes even audiences converge depending on the, the sign of the times. Like again, no one ever thought rock and rap could come together, and then the first thing we hear is Run DMC and Aerosmith, or then the next thing after that was the new metal scene where we had Anthrax and Public Enemy. You know what I mean? So there's never a time where, because that's what music does. Music mutates and then becomes its own thing, and then later on it comes back to its original roots, and then it becomes another thing. So that's why I always tell people, like, look, don't ever put yourself in a box where you not only can't get out of, but more importantly, if your audience is your true audience and they're sticking with you, you know what I mean? You don't have to change necessarily for them, but for you, it's the evolution of you.
That's very true. Now, before you go, please give them your Facebook. Give everyone your Facebook, your social media, and also if you have like a Cash App or Zelle account you want to give, any information that you would give if you was on the street walking and you meet someone, just give it to them because this show will also be on YouTube. This is where I actually live stream it on Facebook Live to prepare it as if it's a live production, and then on YouTube people can watch it anytime they want, just like Facebook people can watch it on the time. So give all your info, and maybe we could highlight the segment, and then you could promote that specific info also. Go ahead.
Absolutely, man. So you can find me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Rostafa101. at ROSTAFA 101 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. If you feel free that you could definitely help contribute to my album or any other things that I'm doing, cash.app/ROSTAFA, Rostafa on Cash App, Venmo.com/RO-STAFA, RO-STAFA on Venmo. And of course, I'm also on PayPal, so paypal.me/Rostafa, ROSTAFA on PayPal.
There you have it, and that's all his information. And this information can be highlighted on the live or any shortcuts, promo videos to make sure we support the artists who are trying their best to give us entertainment, to give you entertainment. Artists like me, Rostafa, and everybody else. So this was Radio Lakay interview by the table with Rostafa. We're gonna get one more tune from Rostafa, and then we're gonna let Rostafa come back and say goodbye. And we're going to rock a little bit more because, like I said, we're on extended time. We're going to be on extended time for about 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes because we started a little late. So, Rostafa, one more time, the microphone is yours.
When I was young, I tried to find myself. Searched all day and night, ended up being something else. Had a few friends, felt the same way. We laughed and cried together as we ran in the rain. Pain don't have to last. Our nightmares are gonna pass. Some see that black is just a color, but you gotta look deeper to find your brother. Some say don't judge a book by its cover. Black is beautiful, it's like no other. I carry this weight and I drag it around. Every time I look, I feel like going down. Then a voice inside reminds me of who I am. Says you matter to me from now till the end. Stubborn words from a fool are one way to lose your cool. Some see that black is just a color, but you gotta look deeper to find your brother. Don't judge a book by its cover. Black is beautiful, it's like no other. More than meets the eye. Have no more time to build up your walls. On the list we tried. All your troubles and stuff for one and all. Some see that black is just a color, but you gotta look deeper to find your brother. Don't judge a book by its cover. Black is beautiful, it's like no other. Black is so beautiful. Black is so beautiful.
Yes. Pull up. This was Rostafa, and it was MD just commented. He said it's a beautiful show. It's a bell show.
It's a better show.
Bell show. He's a beautiful show. You know, because MD love live music. He's one of the Oxygen Box Band biggest supporters because he love live music, and he's like he's a radio host for a radio station or one of the Haitian radio stations. So he really enjoyed the performance and the stuff we talk about when it comes to live music and how we connect in live music itself to what's happening in the world. So Rostafa, again, we are facing each other right there on the screen. I see Rostafa, and this is my first guest. This is the third episode in season 1. So this show is new. It's called Top Verite, Truth Table. Is there any truth you want to tell the world before you leave? So this is the truth table. Any truth that you say, you know what, it's my truth or the world truth or something true, and then you could say goodbye. Tell the truth, and then tell the world, see you next time.
3 words. You're not alone. Merci.
That's the truth. Rostafa say you're not alone, and we thank you so much for coming in the studio. We appreciate everything. And any shout out you want to give to anybody or to the town of OSR?
I'll give a shout out to you, my dude. Thank you for the opportunity. Of course, I give credit where credit is due. Definitely shout out to Montclair for housing me for the past, since 2012, 10 years. Oh my gosh, dating myself. And I just want to say thank you to everybody who's been supporting me since day one. And I want to be here without you. And I hope that you not only have a good night, but you have sweeter dreams. Thank you.
Thank you, Rostafa. Thank you for stopping by. And now we're going to go back to the music, to some compa. We just got some Americana, some alternative, some blues, some rock, some reggae, everything in one mix. This was a bouillon. You know what a bouillon is? Everything mashed up together. You know what I'm saying? So big shout out to Rostafa. Now we're going to go to Gabel live straight from Orlando. Thank you very much.
Alors, bien chanter avec ma soeur là. Blé tout le monde qui l'a chanté avec ma soeur là. You ready? Chantez ça. Chérie me connaît qu'elle nous prend. Chantez. Les fêtes maman. Yeah. Allez, nos chéris, si nous la commandons, yeah. C'est vérité, le petit réméo, mais c'est pas une raison pour l'amour. Ça tourne, mon frère, mais ça, c'est pas péché. Et j'en vive avec, il y a clair. La société, ouais, que relation, confiance, côté. Pas responsabilité, yeah. Oui, avec nous, c'est des amis. Oui, c'est l'homme que je t'ai grandi. Façon, c'est compatibilité. Voyez, pas de cas, c'est pas. C'est toujours un sourire. Pas de quoi, c'était un merci. Que oui, avec c'est pour la vie. Qu'on y a nous pas même pas parler. Des gens sous cause nous perdent. Toute complicité. Allez, non, chantez. There is no way, never. Pas je quitte, baby. Mais beaucoup parler pour quitter. Est-ce que pendant ce bout de chérie là, pendant ce bout de chérie là, chérie. Si que pendant ce bout de chérie qui la devient là, comme ça, chantez. Qui passe ça? Yeah, man. Chérie, tu peux dire la chanson. On voulait tout le monde qui l'a ici. Toute la nation qui l'a. I want you guys to sing as loud as you can possibly sing. Y'all ready? I said 1, 2, 3, let's go, sir. Poco pare would be there is no way. Boko Mare Wikite. So this song. If you know, you know, I got you. Whoa. Yeah, man. There is no way. Boko Mare. Showtime. Happy birthday to you. There is no way. Sakila. We're Boko Mare. C'est ma chou. Sakila. Oh. We're back to Mutila Sherry. I wish y'all to sing as loud as you can sing. Chantez. Pop. Déjà gâté au bout de la vie. Allez, nos chéris, chantez plus fort. Femme à côté pour nous souffler. Tenez ça. Ou connaît au bon pour moi. Ne pas s'en signer. Amen. I love it. Chantez, chantez, pop. Sinon, chantez, chérie. Chantez plus fort, let's go. Passez-moi pour que, oui. Hey, hey. Yogi Jazz. Soulaire, nous qui orchestre. We shall. Qu'est-ce que c'est, petit chéri? Nous le faisons encore. Yeah. Ladies, one last time. Chantez, pop. Regardez, one last time. Sing it out now. Femme côté Boumsou. C'est que fanatique Gabel, c'est vous, c'est la fête de Nancy, yeah. Est-ce que fanatique Dr. Love, la fanatique Dr. Love, yo? Et je sache, let's go!
Yeah.
Okay, we about to turn up all the way. We about to go all the way up, baby, let's go! Yes, sir! Fais comme si c'était dernier jour. If it's your last day on earth, enjoy it. Vive la vie ou raconte qu'il est là beaucoup. Yeah, man. Chouki allez, pas quitter où elle est là today. Ça qui cap.
Yes, sir. This is Gabel.
C'est pour précis.
We had Rostafa in the house. Big shout out to Rostafa, man.
C'est tout pour rien. C'est peut-être fatigué pour l'ouvrir de mer. T'es non pas j'en connais.
Allo MD, Titi, ça qu'a fait. Big up.
Verite, pour qui nous va profiter. On est le chéri. Vis la vie ou yes.
Allo MD, Titi, ça qu'a fait. Bon bagay, base normal. Base Lions. Welcome back, déjà. That was a great performance by Rostafa. We're going to get more live artists anytime we can. And right now, you know, Gabel is rocking. With jazz. Before I go, I gotta rock with that Harmonik. I gotta drop Harmonik. Men jazz. Quitte le marché. Allo Titi. MD. Charles. Buzz Lions, what up? Ils sont un chaque affaire. Men jazz qui jazz. Vitesse Autoparts. Encore Sam. Chaque année, des besoin de taxes bien faites, bien préparés. On va checker Uncle Sam dans Ils sont de Jersey. Ou qu'on va déjà nous va égarer. Oui. Mais jazz qui jazz. Mais ça ne pas oublier chaque samedi soir 8h30 pour 9h30. L'on là pour ta vérité. A belle performance, belle live, belle interview avec Malvo Vavonai sur table, the truth table. Mais ça Gabel. Qui ça?
Dans la caboule qui t'est mêlé. Miami. La caboule qui t'est mêlé. Haïti chérie. Dans la caboule qui t'est mêlé. Aïe, 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 aïe.
Ok, Gabel, posez, ti monsieur. Posez, ti monsieur Gabel, yo, nous connaissons pour nous la guy Harmonik, parce que nous pas venir prendre pied sur Harmonik là, pas. Hein? Alors, maestro Niki, ça qu'a fait, Harmonik tout ça, on va bagaille yo. Nous pas égarer, zine pas dans derrière nous. Bon, en tout cas, j'aime là, ça c'est Gabel qui t'a déposé. Pendant Gabel fin déposé, nous pourrons passer avec l'autre ami. Hein? Donc on est déjà, c'est Harmonik. Harmonik, fais ça faire papa.
Wow.
Et puis, big shout out pour tout le monde qui était avec nous sur Facebook, et puis le monde qui va regarder sur YouTube, parce que chose ça, c'est pour nous tout lier, c'est ta vérité. On nous chita avec l'autre animateur pour nous parler de sac vérité, pour nous voir comment nous faire bagaille marché pour la communauté, pour te bon entertainment, live. Music lives every day, you know what I'm saying? Because we can't live without it. So make sure you support live artists like Rostafa and myself and every other artist who that are out there trying their best to bring you good vibe, you know. So again, we're gonna go back to Harmonik.
Jackie. Wow.
Et puis pas oublier MD, c'est gros animateur dans la ville là. Gros animateur qui fait bagaille yo fait. Et puis nous attendons des bouillons culturels chaque week-end, chaque samedi, nous attendons des bouillons culturels. Et puis nous pour nous faire show. Diaspora back avec Stanley et tout l'autre messieurs. You can pu tourner back. Mais Harmonik.
Consacré, lui marqué dignité. Oh, chaque jour c'est une discussion. Navigue dans confusion. Ou pas bonne importance. Relation pas fait sens. Tu as même si c'est pas bête, moi menti, qu'elle n'a pas de chance, nous pas de consistance. Tu as, même si c'est pas bête, moi menti, parce que pour occuper, nous pas jamais d'accord communiquer. Si ou à coucher sans nous pas même parler.
Harmonik, Jazz Naked son prix d'homme, non?
Condamné sans raison, ou pas bon m'importance. Relation pas fait sens. Même si c'est pas une balle à point menti, que les n'ont pas de chance.
Mac dit, je veux qu'elle là-bas.
Tu as merci, c'est un night at Wendy. Si pas player, pas player. Me doubling, me day en fait. À qui on vit, ça dit, wow, wow. Chérie, baby, bon importance, ouais, moi mérite lui. Oh là là là.
Mais compas.
Sous pas mon importance, ma marée pas que.
Melly. Nickinson Boudab. Doit être malaya. Doit être mauvais. Radio Lakay, c'est. Vitesse. Vitesse.
Comme si ça me donnait possible. Moi, t'as demandé l'argent. Sentiment sur sentiment. Puis quand les malais, on m'a demandé pardonner. Cassé, général.
Où est-ce que jazz la fait? Harmonik. Ou quoi Gabel ka kembe comme ça?
Moi pas yo exigeant. Ou que pour moi mauvais genre. Ou va comme si ça me donnait possible. Moi pas mandé l'argent. Sentiment sur sentiment. Diga les malais, ou m'a demandé pardonner.
Oui. Mais jazz. Alors vitesse de pointe. Encore syntaxe. Mettre jazz là. Mettre chaud sa vérité. Là sur Radio Lakay chaque samedi soir. 8h30 pour 9h30. Baz la haine. What up? Allo Baz. Ils sont en New Jersey yo. Irvington New Jersey yo. Elizabeth m'oubliez nous. West Orange. Oui. Musique ça parle prendre goût. Nous pas jouer une goût. Nous pas jouer une corde. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Quittez le fly. Merci pour tout le monde qui est branché sur Radio Assoya. Dès commencer ça, on a fini ça. Still, every Saturday night, 8:30 to 9:30.
Montez.
Ça, c'est Harmonik. Mais Jack, qui ça lié? Mes cordes, mes guitares. Mauvais. Visage de guerre.
Mes guitares.
Jazz n'a posé. Mes cordes.
Balancez.
Mes amis, chaud dans le Kailan. Il fait chaud. Vitesse autopart. Encore syntaxe. Bombase. Tout ça.
Genou qui t'aime marcher.
Où est-ce que Nickinson Freedom fait? Où est-ce que Harmonik fait?
Roger Bouchou, maestro. Roger Bouchou, on va parler de Samal. Roger Bouchou, on va parler de Calmal. Roger Bouchou, on va parler de Cisco de Bachmal. Roger Bouchou, on va parler de Segomal. Roger Bouchou, on va parler de Chicomal. Roger Bouchou, on va parler de John Choudlimal. Roger Bouchou, on va parler de Thompson Mal. Roger Bouchou, on va parler de DJ Joaquin Mal. Roger Bouchou, on va parler de Jassamal. Roger Bouchou, on va parler de New York City Mal. Soubaga crié par des grimaces.
Trop compas.
Roger Bouchou tonnerre. Roger Bouchou.
Yes. Merci un peu la Monique. Les arrivées. Vous connaissez les arrivées, mes amis, je voulais jouer une spéciale musique pour tout fanatique qu'on pas direct. Donc on est salé déjà. Ça c'est yon branché c'est assez. Disip assez.
Attention.
Il y a Radio Diaspora, radio qui gagne toute discussion sur ce qui a passé en Haïti et ce qui a passé sous Haïti. Radio Lakay International.
Oui, ça c'est Disip. Jazz compas direct là. Jazz né mon Jean-Baptiste là.
J'en parlais plus fort, non pas répliquer, plus fort, pas revendiquer. Malgré tout ça, mon yo frère, nous plus fort, non pas j'en parlais, partenaire, non pas répliquer, pas revendiquer. Malgré tout ça, mon yo frère. Gendel, Vamanti. Babu.
Jazz cap jouer la même. Pourquoi c'est Disip? Pourquoi c'est New Look? Mais jazz ça. Si ouais. Fanatique Disip yo content, mais jazz. Oui. Big shout out to Lions Barbershop. Now 394 Main Street, East Orange, New Jersey. Au qu'on bagarre là déjà. Si vous avez besoin d'une belle cote, fresh cote, frais pour aller dans le mariage, communion de tous côtés, check Lines Barbershop. Ne pas oublier vitesse. Vitesse Autoparts. Bon bagage tout le temps. Ou besoin de pièces machine. Qui n'est pas de pièces sous? Check là. Vitesse. Oui.
Jean-Baptiste Maninga.
Baka quitter d'ici passer pour pas prendre une look. Nah, you know what? Nah, you know. No. You know what? This is my last track, my last song. Thank you so much for watching, whoever passed by, and don't forget you can catch this live on YouTube. By tomorrow, you should be able to get this live on YouTube, and you can watch the whole show. Big shout out to Rostafa for stopping by. It was a very cool evening of live music, and I'm sure everyone who watched the show appreciate the performance. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. And now, I think I'm gonna leave the show. I'm gonna leave the show with one of my favorite videos right now. All right now. Maman moi, me jazz qui jazz, Martin Alexandre Kobay.
Ça c'est demandé. L'orage mauvais temps qu'a roulé qu'a fendé tout. Sous vous éclairs tellement fort, il qu'a déchiré toute ville. J'aimerais. Bateau moins paré pour le chavirer. Mais matelot à qui à moi. Celui qui met les camènes, il pas là pour rien. Ok. Martin Alexandre.
Voilà, mais jazz. Ça nous passe de jazz ça même. Ça nous passe de vocalistes ça. Qui a bien fait pour mesdames yo. Big shout out to Martin Alexandre. From Jacques Mel. Bon bagay tout le temps. Big up pour tout le monde qui a célébré fête show. Anniversaire mariage. Pas oublier checker nous sous ta remè ba un shout out. Allo mettre fa guitariste moment jouer
moi dis mais après Dieu soleil éclairé nos nuits moi c'était cet espoir qui fait Dieu moi c'est combat qui fait là si c'était guérison la révélation qui met la vie l'espoir la vie virée. Ok.
Où est là? Ouh là là. Bon. Mais pas.
Mais just là. Martin Alexandre. Jacques Mel.
Bye bye tout le monde. Au revoir. Until next week. We on extended time right now. que nous aimons jazz, ça mes amis, supportez yo. Supportez nous boîtes yo. Mais jazz qui jazz. Encore some tax, what up? Chaque année, ou besoin faire tax normal, on va checker encore some tax, ils sont en New Jersey.
Balancer, m'envie crier, m'envie relais. Adieu, moi t'as volé. Les lois qu'on pas monter, épaules gauche m'a fait saccager. M'envie crier, m'envie relais. En moi t'as volé.
Centime t'as volé. Un con papillon.
Volé, volé,
Centime t'as volé. Un con papillon.
volé, volé,
Centime t'as volé.
on va monter, c'est pas le gauche m'a fait balancer, mon vie crier, mon vie
Yes.
ah,
Mais jazz
il
là.
m'a volé,
Ça c'est Kobaye.
on va monter,
Martin Alexandre.
je m'a fait saccager, mon vie crier, mon vie relais, adieu, il m'a volé,
Centime t'as volé. Un con papillon.
volé, volé,
Centime t'as volé.
volé,
Un con papillon.
volé,
Centime t'as volé. Un con papillon.
volé, volé,
Centime t'as volé. Un con papillon.
volé, volé,
Centime t'as volé. Un con papillon.
Malou, c'est vous-même.
Jazz ça gon millionnaire là-dedans.
Fanatique, on passe nous-mêmes.
Jazz Lagon, millionnaire là-dedans.
Moi, dis mettre pas, c'est vous-même.
Jazz ça gon
Pourquoi c'est nous liés? Allô, Gary Toussaint.
Média yo, c'est nous-mêmes.
Gary Toussaint, millionnaire Thibaut Cowboy là.
millionnaire là-dedans.
Mes amis, pas oublier, big shout out tout Thibaut. Tout petit monsieur Thibaut yo. Comment nous est mon nan yo?
Mes amis, à la fois Michel, papa. Mes amis, ok. Cadeau douette. Te calacher ensemble.
Si one belle douette.
Douette, douette. Mes amis, à la fois. Ok.
Autant non comprend, autant non jazz. Mais jazz, qui jazz? Sa vérité, ah.
C'est maman.
Chaque samedi soir, 8h30 pour 9h right now. We on extended time. Jamming on a Saturday night.
C'est un plaisir, c'est nice.
Oui.
Sans question de 5 sous 5.
Allo Gary, tout ça qu'a fait. Base normale tout le temps. Grand frère Thibaut Cowboy. Vitesse là toujours là. Vitesse autoporte.